Wow, Warriors of Warmth here. The weekend warriors are back. Yes, first praise of the day has to go to West Notts College. Thank you, West Notts, for donating the van for one day. This is absolutely incredible. So in the week, I'm a lecturer at West Notts College, and I put a call out to all my students, and here they are. So hello guys. They're a bit tired. Can you believe 5 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, they've all turned up to help out and get some work experience. So West Notts College, thank you very much for your support. I'm feeling proper blessed today. Get in! So, heating, hot water and sanitation to a homeless shelter in Windsor. Here we come. Well done, lads. Onwards and upwards. Fighting fuel poverty, here we go. Weekend warriors here, Warriors of Warmth, on the latest project in Windsor. Look at all these vehicles. Look at all these installers. So here we are, Windsor Homeless Shelter. Community hub, training centre. This is where the homeless people can come, get some warmth, feel replenished. Look at all the installers. Ken Bone. How's it going? Thank you guys. Alright chaps. He's an electrician. Other people. So just here, they're putting some hot and cold supplies through. So you go to the bathroom, you've got Richard Gears, you've got Phil, it's my student from college, it's came with me this morning on the minibus. How absolutely superb, what a blessing. And we're going upstairs, so this is going to be the future shower room. And here we have the legendary Andy Cam. 2 more students, look, from West Notts College.
Nice lads.
Yeah, good lads, they're here. Fantastic.
Looking for work, that's what I say.
5 AM this morning, they met me at college. How brilliant. And here we've got Ben. This is Ben. Ben's a legend. Ben's been on quite a few of these projects. So again, we're putting the hot and cold supplies in, the flow and returns. So we're down to the communal hall. I started the boiler, so I am on the tools. And this is crazy, there's bodies everywhere. Ta-da! So that's where the boiler's going. So I packed it out of the wall on some hardboard, so the plasterboard installation can go behind it, so better U values. He's got the giggles today. So flow return going through and speed fit. Hello. This is a complete legend. Turn up, bundle of joy, positivity. Having a big career change, ex-squaddy, aren't you?
Yeah, ex-squaddy, 24 years in the army. And re-changed as a gas engineer.
What a legend. Living the dream, you're on the dream. So, all the floorboards are up. This is Marcus Bull from Nottingham. Marcus, you've been doing this since 2017, haven't you?
I should have learned. Why am I here on Saturday morning?
I know he's back again.
Hey, we're there. James the plumber.
James the plumber.
James the plumber.
Another legend from social media, Instagram.
The award for the furthest distance travelled.
Where have you came from?
All the way at the top of North England. I'm about 20 miles off the Scottish border.
Get lost, really?
What a fucking hero.
Come on. That's incredible, that. Well done, buddy. Thank you. Woo! I mean, when a charity project gets to this stage, you know, a lot of people say, yeah, I'm going to turn up on the day, I'll be there, but they don't. When it comes down to it, they don't. What a righteous human being. And here we are in the kitchen. Look at the laser level here. So they're going to go in the stud work. We've got the plumber of the year, 2022. We've got Ray. Ray's an ex-colleague. Yeah. Ray's been an absolute star. Whenever I've been suffering from anxiety and depression, he's been the man doing the phone. Here we've got 2 students. Charlie, we've got Brad, who came from West Notts College with me this morning. 5 AM in the morning, they met me there. So, there'll be more updates throughout the day. Thank you very much for Alpha Boilers, for your support, Lawton Tubes, Stelrad, Fernox, and EPH. You're all a bunch of superb human beings. God, just think, all this support for this community. They're helping a community they've never been to, and they're never going to go there again. They're helping individuals they'll probably never meet. Look at those human beings. God, I want to grow old with knowing people like this. More videos throughout the day. So it's still quite fast paced in there. I've got to be honest, on projects like this, I really do find it quite hard to hold the tears back. They've stopped for a bite to eat. Volunteer Mandy and his wife and kids have turned up and made a curry. So they've been up for several nights making a curry for 50 people, and they provide all the cutlery, all the disposable cutlery. There's a burner on here. They made naan breads. I mean, it is hard holding back the tears. It is hard holding back the tears. Certificates now for the guys that have turned up and for the apprentices. Between us all, experienced engineers, what we've done is we've got some tools together to give them as a bit of reward, a bit of incentive. You know, kids in this climate, they don't turn up to work for free to volunteer at 5 o'clock in the morning. So they've all got coats, tools, bags, boxes, enough to give them some inspiration to get kick started in life. So here we go. This is incredible, absolutely remarkable. Vans. Here we go. Look at all that.
Can't be easy. Run a bit of work up.
Wow.
Good salad.
Hello, Mandy.
Hey, how are you?
Well, this is the last time we did this was
The Liverpool one,
yeah, that was again a homeless shelter and food bank. Mandy eating really touchy.
No, it's cool, man. It's all good.
Talk to my eyes, look.
It's all in the
Real
right
food.
No, we tried.
You try, you've done, it's paid off, look. There you go. Hi, Ollie. Thanks for you to stay up. Nice you to stay up and laugh.
Mando country to go down the Gower.
It's been great, mate, hasn't it?
I've been grafted.
It's been great, hasn't it?
You don't come back out. No.
And great for the apprentices as well, definitely.
Yeah, the work they've done is phenomenal, isn't it?
And they're soldering, they're actually fitting, they're doing real work, fitting rads, piping them up. They might leave, we'll find out. But, you know, they're doing it.
I've got a canoe.
And wellies.
And wellies, yeah. I've got a wetsuit, it'll be alright. Got a snorkel. Isn't Mandeep a legend? He's just a brilliant human being. Hi guys, how you getting on?
Alright.
Yeah? Thanks for today, lads. Here, I will do, thank you. Here's your certificates for today. A few presents.
Very nice. Very nice.
Let's go through. Hiya. Look at all that. Look. That's the stove. Oh, it's just heartwarming stuff, isn't it? Faith in humanity. And here they all are. David Attenborough. Look at that, they're phenomenal. Someone's brought lighting in though. And these are all the presents. Look at that, tool bags, tools. Remarkable. Still, bye to eat and I'm going to crack on. I'm starting to feel tired now. Thanks for your support, thanks for your following, thanks for liking, thanks for retweeting, thanks for donating materials, thanks for donating your trade. Very, very grateful. Thanks for letting your kids come out and help and support. Thanks to everyone in the community that's turned up, made cups of tea, coffee. Wow. So this is where the homeless people will be coming in and learning how to cook, be self-sufficient. This is a little training room to be. And through here, this will be a conference room. Thanks for your support. Well, that's it. We're done. Installs have left. The boiler's on the wall. Thank you for your donation, Alpha. They now have heating and hot water. Floorboards are down. It's pretty remarkable, isn't it? What's gone on today? People from all over the country donating their trade, their time, cost of fuel, coming from Scotland to do a charity install in London. I think that's pretty incredible. And so just think in the next 12 months, people will be coming here to get washed, showered, fed, trained on how to be living independently, learn how to have a bank account and finance their own lives and have a CV wrote for them, community hub. Yeah, every install that I do has a sentimental value. This has been tight to get it done in one day. It has, it's been quite worrying. But for this, I've had 2 people from previous projects turn up to see me, and that's been emotional for me today. Yeah, if you're watching this, guys, thanks for your input. I hope you're inspired by this to do something else. You know, if every community had individuals like the guys that have turned up today, wouldn't the world be a bright place? So, who knows where the next charity install will be? Could be Scotland, could be Wales, could be Ireland. So, we didn't get the sanitation done, but they've got the drawings now, they've got the materials now, so they can go ahead and do that. Up here, they've got heating, so this is where the girls will come in, they'll sleep, they'll get some respite. So here, this is 2 ready, this is going to be 2 rooms here. And if we come into here, this is where they'll be coming in off the night. So the idea is they'll be picked off the streets and they'll be brought into here to wash and get replenished and give their warmth in their soul. Absolutely incredible. So thank you very much for all your donations. Thank you for keeping the wow factor going. Where next? Holding back the tears here. Hi folks, so it's a couple of days after the project, and still feeling really emotional, you know, to think of what everyone has achieved, what the WOW team have achieved, how the whole community came together to help those vulnerable and give their souls some warmth. And so I'm just sorting out some admin, some stock that's left over. 2 things that made this one really worthwhile for me, that really made it emotional for me, that just proves that these projects and the community spirit and the installers behind the WOW team have actually made an effort. So this is it. First one was Tyler Ripham. He came to see me because he attended various projects before, and he received fault finding training on the day and some tools for his recognition and trade donation for the day. Tyler is now self-employed heating engineer. The next one was Lauren, and this is her story, and she attended the last project. Hi guys, so here I am, Rise of Warmth. I'm out on the site, excuse me if looking all dirty and sweaty. Say hello.
Hello everybody, still here. Yeah, happy as ever, of course. Busy, always busy. Glad to be back with Jonathan, everybody, Andy especially, he's a great guy. You know, everybody's just fantastic. It's nice to catch up.
So Lauren first came on the project, I think it was the Liverpool project, wasn't it?
Yeah, a couple of years ago now, that one.
I think it was about 2018. That was a homeless shelter as well in Liverpool. It was great, you know, we met. You went through, so what have you done since then, basically?
So just I've been on charity projects. Now currently I work in maintenance, so do a bit of plumbing, a bit of electrics, general, a bit of everything in the hotel, which is great fun. Plumbing wise, got off, did my level 2 and 3 qualifications. Just keeping your head above water really, isn't it?
So you know what, there's a bit of a sting about women in the trade. So you know, Lauren's made it. She did level 3 in plumbing, so she's got a good job now working in a hotel doing maintenance work. Back today. So what do these projects mean to you? How have it helped you?
Oh, bloody heck, loads. I mean, initially that's how I got, you know, a lot of contacts as such.
Yeah.
I remember on that first project, I met Peter Booth. And he'd set me up with his Twitter account, and from then it just went a bit mad, probably a bit too mad, so I took a year out of that. But yeah, as I say, I've still been doing what I can behind off the social media. It's just been nice just to concentrate on family, friends, work.
So really, you've done the projects, you've got a great job now. You also did some catalogue work, didn't you? You also did some marketing as well.
Since then.
Yeah, she's done marketing for Screwfix.
I worked in Screwfix as well.
Worked in Screwfix as well, how brilliant is that?
I only had a few weeks there. I preferred being out on the tools.
Yeah.
Much preferred it, rather than standing behind the till.
And one more thing. So you've helped at the Liverpool one, came to the Chesterfield one, you instigated the Sea Cadets one.
Yeah,
so you've been major. But can you remember Tyler Rippon?
The smaller lads.
Yeah, so Tyler Rippon, he came on a project, he got a tool for attending, really gave him some motivation, and now he's going self-employed. So
Brilliant.
there's so much that comes from these, isn't there?
Yeah, oh, absolutely, 100%. You know, it opens up opportunities and doors, but it's the contacts that you make.
And the confidence and the backing.
Absolutely.
The backing you get, you know?
Yeah, Jonathan's a good old mentor, isn't he? I mean, I've
Yeah.
been on the phone to you many a time, haven't I? And, oh, what do we do with this? And yeah, you've always been
We're all there to
Great.
support. I mean, when you go on these projects, you meet friends for life, don't you?
You do.
People like Andy. So, gotta get back to work. Fist bump, boom. It's given these Saturday up to help fight fuel poverty and help this community. Buddy, congratulations.
Near-Red have
Tools
sent you all
there.
that, yeah.
Very much.
Oh, and that's from NORAD Tools.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks very
How
much.
that inspires you to keep being a wonderful human being.
Yeah, it will do.